Welcome deviators. Another look at the load by load experience, and I feel it's a mission. It's our mission to be as efficient as possible and on time. So today we're going to take a quick look at something that in the trucking industry I feel has been lost: timing. I'm going to give you a personal observation and a look at what's happening. And finally, I'm going to give a little bit of advice to these brokers out here. Hope this advice helps. Stick around, it's going to be a good one today. And another day, we're hellbound and hammered down. Picking up a load today out of Pulaski, Tennessee. Town not too far away from my hometown, Fayetteville, Tennessee. It's about 30 minutes to the west off of State Route 64. Load's valued at $2,700. Going down for delivery tomorrow in Ocala, Florida. Yeah, I've been there before. Where I have not been before is this place in Pulaski. Yeah, I don't think I've been to Pulaski, Tennessee yet. But usually what happens is I get to a place, think I haven't been there, and then I find out, yeah, I know this place. I've been here before. So I'm willing to bet that's probably going to happen. In the meantime, another day, another great load, more money, and more topic-driven news and opinion right here on Deviator on the Road. Generally, when I look at a place from Google Maps, I can usually tell if I've been there before. I mean, it's a big plant. Looks like it's got a lot of trailers, different possibilities for loading docks, so tough deciding whether I've been there before. So anyway, we're going to get underway. We'll probably be about 15-20 minutes early. We'll start the day out with a bang. All right, we're looking for Industrial Boulevard. Should be coming up here on the left. And still nothing looking really familiar, but that don't change nothing. Other receiving 500 yards, so it's going to be up ahead of the all Frito-Lay truck traffic, second left. Oh, okay. Now I see it. And yes, I have been here before. It's been a good little while though, I remember that. This is one of those where you drop the trailer and they bring it back to you. Set up right on the cement pad, just barely. So it'll be about 2 or 3 hours. Yeah, this is all coming back to me. The first time I was here, I think I was here at least that long. Back around. That's one of the longest waits I've ever had to endure, for sure. 8:45, 12:45. That's 8 hours. All right, tandems are set. I'm set. Now all I got to do is get paperwork. Knowing the route the way I do, I'm probably going to stop there at Dodge City. I'll probably fuel up, shut down, and make the rest of the drive tomorrow. So I spent most of my time here waiting. Let's see what's on deck. My personal observation is just this. I keep excellent records. And in the last month, I've lost probably about a good $5,000 just due to the fact that I've been detained or held up at different loads. And it's all over stuff. I could have been allowed to make an educated decision before getting the load if I had known what was going on. You cannot possibly predict every single thing that's going to happen. But there's a majority of things that I've run across in the last month that could have been helped and could have been avoided had I known about it in advance. Here's my advice. Brokers have got to realize something. There's a lot of lost revenue. There's a lot of problems associated with not doing your homework. So here's my advice. Start doing your job. Start doing some homework. And let's start figuring out some of these details before someone like me calls you and says, hey, you've got a load from Fayetteville, Tennessee to Savannah, Georgia. You can pull that load up. You can find out that in Savannah, Georgia, it's the Target distributorship, and you're going to be probably sitting there waiting for up to 8 to 10 hours. A lot of these newer owner-operators, newer drivers don't know this. So it would probably help, hey, by the way, I know you're interested in this load, and I know it's offered at X, but I just want to warn you in advance, you're going to be sitting for up to 8 to 10 hours. I'll be like, thank you very much. I may decide to get it, plan accordingly, or I may decide to move on to another load. That choice should be mine, not yours to make. You know, basically, brokers would make themselves more money too. Because I'm going to call on the broker that seems to have his crap together. You know, I'm not going to call on you if all you're going to do is throw numbers at me and just hell with trying to help me get in and out of there efficiently. I can't do anything about the shippers and the receivers with inefficient systems. But I certainly can do a lot about knowing about some of this in advance. You know, you guys just don't realize, brokers, you guys don't realize the loss to the industry with stuff like this. If you as a broker can help alleviate that or stem that tide somehow and keep us more streamlined, load to load, you're helping the industry tenfold. Don't be afraid of losing somebody. There's your sales tactics right there. If you're a good broker and you're good at your job, you're not going to worry about telling us, hey, you're going to have to wait, or this is going to be delayed here, or that's going to be a problem there. You know, lastly, the thing I'll touch on is customers aren't going to call on Landstar if we're constantly setting arrangements and not making them. So customers will tend to utilize us as a company if we are able to make our appointments on time. Can't happen if we're sitting here for 8 hours on a shipment that we should have been out the door in 4 hours. And I would have known about this, I would have made arrangements and gotten there earlier. So that's my advice to the brokers. I hope brokers watch this video. I hope they get something from it. If you're a driver watching this video, comment down below and let me know what some of your worst experiences have been sitting at shippers, realizing stuff when the brokers could have given you the heads up. Give this video a like. If you haven't become a subscriber already, please do. Hit that button down below and look for us out here. Day after day, load after load. I'm out here for you, the trucking industry as a whole. We are topic-driven news and information for the trucking industry. When you're on the road, think of others. Your kindness may help lighten the load. Till I turn the key next time, please be happy, stay safe, and make it count.